Hello and welcome to Masterminds in Maintenance, a series brought to you by Upkeep, designed to provide insights and inspiration for all you maintenance and operations teams out there. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and today we have a fascinating journey to share. Get ready to be inspired by a story that takes us from the agricultural fields of Mississippi to a leading cosmetic dentistry startup, touching on the importance of continuous learning, mentorship, and adaptability during a global pandemic. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Today, we're thrilled to have Gregory Mecomber, a maintenance and reliability engineer at Smile Direct Club, share his incredible journey and insights. From his early days mending fences in Mississippi to his time in the Air Force, and now at a leading cosmetic dentistry startup, Greg's path has been anything but ordinary. Greg's story begins in the agricultural fields of South Mississippi, where he initially avoided maintenance work. However, life had other plans, and after joining the Air Force, Greg found himself deeply involved in airfield and base maintenance. This experience, coupled with a profound piece of advice from a former boss, always bring a solution, not just a problem, shaped his approach to maintenance and reliability. After the military, Greg's academic and professional journey took him through multiple majors and jobs until he landed in the maintenance field, which he now passionately embraces. He emphasizes the importance of continuous learning, mentorship, and taking on new responsibilities to grow in one's career. In the context of the COVID-19 pandemic, Greg discusses how Smile Direct Club has adapted by implementing measures to reduce person-to-person contact and temporarily halting production to help flatten the curve. He highlights the essential nature of maintenance work, which often can't be done remotely. Greg shares several safety tips for those still working on site, such as frequent hand washing, careful use of shared tools and personal protective equipment, and maintaining social distancing. For those in maintenance roles, Greg suggests using any downtime caused by paused production to tackle backlogs, audit inventory, update documentation, and engage in training and education. This is an opportune time to focus on preventive maintenance, deep cleaning, and finding innovative solutions to improve reliability and efficiency. Greg also touches on the broader implications of the pandemic for the industry, suggesting that companies will need to rethink their contingency plans and possibly redesign workspaces to enhance safety and enable remote work. He stresses the importance of cross-training and maintaining thorough, accessible documentation to ensure resilience and continuity. In closing, Greg reflects on the diverse forms maintenance can take, from industrial to infrastructure to medical equipment, and the varied teams that perform these crucial functions. He advocates for a proactive, data-driven approach to maintenance and emphasizes the value of learning from both seasoned professionals and newcomers to the field. For anyone looking to connect with Greg and follow his journey, he encourages reaching out via LinkedIn. His openness to building connections underscores the collaborative spirit that is vital to advancing the maintenance and reliability industry. Thank you, Greg, for sharing your wisdom and experiences with us. Your insights not only highlight the critical role of maintenance in our daily lives, but also inspire us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation. And thank you, our viewers, for tuning in to this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've explored the importance of continuous learning, mentorship, and adaptability, especially during challenging times like a global pandemic. We hope you found this discussion insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To learn more about Upkeep and our services, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, stay safe and keep maintaining.